video. I think this has been the slowest start of any winter in human history. When they make a new dictionary and you want the definition of slow, it's going to be a big picture of this winter. It's almost Christmas, like 1.5 weeks or so. Sorry. And it's the first major snowfall. We have had some small, but nothing to film or anything. This is the first big one. We also want to come in and say I'm alive, because we haven't seen me since New York. But I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm not feeling very well. My lungs and my nose is not in the best condition, so just a short video. But I'm here and ready for some new content. I can't say how frequent I will upload, but as soon as I will have time and not sick anymore. I'm so tired of being sick. They are forecasting up to one foot of snow this week, so let's hope that the forecast is correct. The gravel roads are still really hard to plow because there's not much snow on them. So here and there's still gravel. So it's really bouncy and uncomfortable to plow. And I think I have something wrong with the suspension. It's an air suspension. It's a full air suspension truck, but it's still really jerky and bouncy. And it has never been that way. I've driven this truck for 6 years now, 5 years, and it has never been like this. So let's hope it's just a maintenance issue. I haven't found anything, but when this snowfall is over, we'll get to the workshop and they will check over the front end. I almost have 500,000 kilometers on the odometer, and maybe for you long haulers that doesn't seem like much, but on the hook truck that in summertime almost fully drives gravel and spreads gravel, and in the winter plowing, it's quite a lot. It's got a lot of strain on the frame to spread gravel with hook trucks and to plow. So maybe some bushings or something needs to be replaced. Otherwise it runs really good. Nothing to declare. No problems to declare. Problem with this type of weather is when it's in the beginning of the season, meaning it's almost 2 months into the season, but first major snowfall, you have no edge to follow. You just have the sticks, but between the sticks you don't know where you are. It's a really slow going first round. normal do one round in 5.5 hours. I think this is going to take up to 7 because of the slow speeds in these conditions. But it's better to take it easy than to do something bad and have to replace 100 sticks because you... What's that? Ah, look, it's a Christmas tree on the road. I need a Christmas tree. How funny would it be to take that Christmas tree and throw it on the back and bring home to the kids? If you promise to not tell anyone, I will do that. It's a little bit out of focus, but it's a Christmas tree. It's a small one, but I don't need a big one. The kids want a Christmas tree. Something to say. Yeah, it's quite nice. If you remove the lower part of it. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Otherwise someone will drive into it. Be right back. Yeah. Don't forget you promised not to say it to anyone. You have to help me with the definition of stealing a Christmas tree. We can just pretend it has blown out from the forest because of the wind. So, let's do that. I'm sorry guys, but my voice are really weak and hurts when it hurts when I'm talking, so I'm gonna shut them up and try to get through this so I can go to bed again and try to recover from this cold. Have a nice one, and hopefully I see you again before Christmas. It's supposed to snow all week, so if I'm not entirely in bed for a week, if I manage to get to work, I will update you about the snow. Have a nice day, and I see you in the next one. And yeah, sorry for that bracket on the screen. I know this is not the best view, but I forgot my camera stand in the... I forgot the camera stand in the... at home, so this was what I had. So sorry for that, it's a one time only. Because I already know it's gonna be in the comments. So, sorry. Bye bye.